So I heard you want to be a realtor. Let's see how you feel about that at the end of this video. Hello everybody, it's Tiana, aka the Makeup Realtor. As you know, I call myself the Makeup Realtor because if many of you don't know, I also own a cosmetic line, but I am a real estate agent and I love both, so I do both and there's nothing wrong with that. So my name is Tiana, aka the Makeup Realtor. So this video I'm bringing to you guys is going to be all about how to get your real estate license. Keep on watching if you want to see how to get your real estate license. I just want to give you guys a basis so you'll know how to go about getting your license if it's something that you choose to pursue. First of all, real estate is an awesome field to be in. I absolutely love it, and hopefully you do too, and that's why you came to my video to see how you get your license. So first, I just wanted to let you guys know that real estate is definitely not easy. It is a business, and so it's not something that you can just come in and make quick money with. I just wanted you guys to know that so that there aren't any false perceptions going on in your mind. So it is a great field to be in. It's fun. It's something that is very task driven, something that helps you with organization and things like that, and it is just also can be very promising if you do well in this career. So first off, I know a lot of you guys want to know how do I get my real estate license? Where do I go? How do I go about it? How long does it take? First, where do I go to take my real estate license classes and things like that? So I went online. You can either go online or you can go in a classroom. It's completely up to you and what's best for your lifestyle. I am a new mom. I have one daughter that's 2 and I have a son that's literally 3 weeks old, and I was working full time. So for me, the best option was to go online, and that way I can go at my own pace. I can ask questions as they came up to my online professor, and I can do it whenever was most convenient for my schedule. And some people like that better because you can finish a lot faster. You can take your time and do it a little bit slower if the curriculum is too fast for you and your lifestyle. You can ask questions, you can take as many notes as you want before moving on to the next section, things like that. So it's pretty much customary to you and your lifestyle. I personally went to Real Estate Express. I'll have my link for the class that I took down below in the description box, so feel free to check that out. Also, you'll receive a discount if you use the link that takes you directly to where I purchased my course at. So you're welcome. Your girl looking out for y'all, you know, discounts or whatever. You can go in class. Now, depending on where you're located, you have many different classes. Sorry y'all, just seen like my neighbor walking across the street with this huge dog. I didn't even know he had a dog, so now I'm scared. I'm like, I was in your yard, you know, introducing myself to you guys, and I didn't even know you had this big old dog in the backyard. Okay, but anyway, you can go online or, like I said, in class. Now, if you decide to go in class, depending on where you're located, there should be several different real estate schools around in your area. Wherever there's a company, if you have a Keller Williams, I know for a fact they offer classes at your Keller Williams office, and generally most people that take that class tend to stay with Keller Williams and use them as their brokerage after they're finished. So check with all your different local real estate companies and just go inside one day and ask them, hey, do you have a real estate course that I can take? And 90% of them do. So you can also take the course there with them, or you can have your general overall real estate school, which some people go to those as well. To each his own, but just do your research. I would Google real estate schools in my area after visiting all of the different brokerages, just to see what you have available in the area. Typically, those classes last 10 to 12 weeks, and they are about 3 to 4 hours long per class. And so that's why I said some people that works better for, because some people like to be in person. They can ask as many questions as they like, whereas other people don't. So it's whatever is more convenient for you and whatever is more consistent with your personality. So I'd say see what's best for you and move forward with it. After you find your school, you're going to go through this huge curriculum of all these different things that you must learn. So I would say make sure to take the best notes possible and be sure that it's something that you can go back and refer to and study, so when you get ready to take your test, you make sure that you got yourself set up for success. Now after you finish your courses, which is, like I said, will be about 10 to 12 weeks long, sometimes longer online if you decide to take it at, you know, a slower pace like I did. It took me about 16 weeks, but that's because I had 2 little ones and a husband, so I had other things to do. So if you finish within 10 to 12 weeks, you'll generally sign up to take your exam. Your exam is proctored, so you'll have to go somewhere and you'll have somebody that's literally watching you take your test. And the test is usually about anywhere between 100 to 130 questions, just depending on where you're located in your area. And you must make a 70 or better, and that's generally, I believe that's across the board, that's nationwide. You must make a 70 or better. Once you pass your exam, which I hope you guys will do on the first try. It took me 2, I'm not afraid to admit it, it took me 2 true tries to get my license, but that's because your girl should have studied some more. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. And once you pass your exam, you'll then take your passing score and you'll interview at different brokerages, which will be a whole another video that I'll film for you guys. And once you find your brokerage, you fill out all your application information and submit it to state and national, and they'll send everything back for you to get your temporary license. And then you are licensed to start practicing as a realtor. You will be official. You official. You official. You official. Halfway. Like I said, that'll be a temporary license. You must then complete a post course, which is 30 hours, which generally doesn't take long at all. A few weeks. Sometimes even a few days. You know, you can get it done in a week if you do it fast enough, because it's quick and it's easy, and you should be able to know a lot of the stuff that's on there. So it shouldn't take you long. But after that, you'll take your post license. You'll take another exam. It's not the same exam that you took to get your license originally. It's just to complete the course. Which I believe that is also still proctored. I guess it just depends on which company you go through. But you'll take another exam, and then once you pass that exam, then you'll receive your official permanent license, and then you'll be a real permanent agent. So that's generally a video of how you become a realtor. It does take time, it does take classes. You do have to sit there and learn. It's not something that you can just go and take an exam for in a week, but it is a very, very promising career. It's something that's fun and introduces you to a lot of new people, and you just kind of get a feel for who you are as a person. And like I said, real estate isn't for everybody. It's not a get rich quick, you know, type of career, but it can be very, very good to you, just depending on your efforts, how much you put into it, and the mentorship and the people that you surround yourself with. So I hope this video was very helpful. If you like this video and you like these type of videos and this content, leave me a comment down below and a thumbs up to let me know, so I'll just continue to making these videos for you guys. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and peace out. You know, be on the lookout for all of my other videos. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Goodbye.